welcome to Decor Plus 99. So in today's video we will be discussing a very common question that customer generally ask from us. The question is that what is the difference between a roller blind and a zebra blind, and what are the different scenarios where you should opt for a roller blind or a zebra blind. So generally the customer is confused that whether in a particular place, we should put a roller blind or zebra blind. So we'll be answering these questions in this video. So before I answer these questions, I'm just giving a slight idea that what is basically a roller blind and zebra blind. So in a roller blind, basically there is a head rail and there is a bottom weight, and the fabric is suspended in between. And with the help of this cord, the blind goes up and down. So there are two movements, the up movement and the down movement. Now comes the zebra blind. Zebra blind is basically an advanced version of roller blind. So in roller blind we were having one layer of fabric over there, but in zebra blind we have two layers of fabrics. You can see here the two layers of fabrics that are running in a single blind. And even if we talk about the single layer, in single layer also we have two fabrics that are running parallel. See, one is a solid fabric and one is a tissue fabric that is transparent. So zebra blind is basically an advanced version of roller blind where we have two layers of fabric running. And even in the single layer, there are two types of fabric that are running. That one is sheer one, which is transparent, and one is the solid one, which is non-transparent. So the mechanism is same in this one also, that we have a cord and the movement is downward and upward, as you can see here. So this is about the basic mechanism. So now coming to the real question, that which blind should you prefer while opting from these two. So first I will tell you the advantage that a zebra blind has over a roller blind. So the first advantage is that since I have told you that a roller blind has single layer of fabric and a zebra blind has two layer of fabric, so there are many scenarios where the blind has to be in a front facade. For example, the bungalow faces a roadside, or there is a window that has dual vision, the back side is also visible. So what happens in a roller blind, since roller blind is single layer of fabric, it is white or blank from the back side. Let me just show it. You can see here, it is printed from front, but the back side is not that attractive. It has a white blank sort of look. Whereas in the zebra blind, since the fabric is two layer, so the thing that you are getting at the front portion is the same as you are getting at the back portion. So aesthetic point of view, I am talking about the aesthetic point of view. So this blind comes out to be more attractive. So zebra blind is highly recommended at areas where the window is either in the front facade of the house or elevation, or where there is dual vision. So a zebra blind is a must have there. Now comes the second advantage. The second advantage is that, as you can see in a roller blind, there is a continuous sheet of fabric that is running. So there is no spaces, or say there is no transparency. So in case you want to see outside or you want to have a sneak peek outside, you have to pull up or pull down a major portion of blind. Whereas in zebra blind, since we are having the tissue fabric, that transparent portion at small intervals, so you have basically to control 2 to 3 inch of blind to control the visibility or to control the sunlight. So the operation is much more easier and a smaller distance has to be covered in case of zebra blind. So this is the second advantage. So coming to the third advantage that we may consider in case of zebra blind is that it looks aesthetically more appealing or more premium than the roller blind. Roller blind is sort of basic in nature and the zebra blind looks more appealing. So that was about zebra blind, that what were the advantage of having a zebra blind or a roller blind. Now comes the advantage of roller blind, that what advantage you will get if you opt for a roller blind in spite of zebra blind. So I see only one advantage in roller blind, that is that in case of customization, where you have to get something print over a blind. Like you can see here, this is a customized roller blind and this is a customized zebra blind. So in case of prints or in case of customization specifically, the print comes out to be more attractive or more vibrant in case of roller blind than in case of zebra blind. The reason is very clear, since the zebra blind is having fabric at intervals, two fabrics are running parallel to each other, the solid one and the tissue one. So the printing quality doesn't come out to be more clear in that. Although some people may find it more attractive, but in general the print is much more vibrant, the print is much more continuous without having breaks in case of roller blind than in zebra blind. So these were the major differences and pros and cons of putting one blind over other. So in nutshell, whenever you are confused that whether you should put a zebra blind or a roller blind, so it depends on the type of area you are having. If the area demands a zebra blind, then it is a must go. And if you think that roller blind would be more suitable there, so you can opt for a roller blind. So basically it is the area that matters, and since you are aware of the pros and cons, you can choose it better. Thank you.